You've been waiting in overwhelming anticipation. It's quick and easy. Just grab some white vinegar, baking soda, and a toilet brush. If you need exact measurements, you're in the wrong place. We're just cleaning a toilet, not baking a cake for the president. Pour a generous glug, and yes, that's a scientific term, glug, into the bowl. Then sprinkle heavily with baking soda. As the superhero forces of the baking soda and vinegar unite in tiny little dirt-busting bubbles, join in and start scrubbing. And don't forget to get under the rim. Let it sit for 30 minutes while you daydream about your sparkling clean toilet. Then come back and give it a flush. For particularly stubborn spots, pour undiluted vinegar directly on the stain and scrub with the brush. Adding vinegar to a spray bottle also makes for easy cleaning of the seat and the outside of the toilet. But wait, don't forget the toilet tank. You can use white vinegar in there too. Don't be one of those people that neglects the tank. Rust, mold, mildew, and bacteria can easily accumulate in there, resulting in unpleasant odors. It can also damage your toilet's functionality and longevity. Start by pouring some vinegar into the tank, filling it to about an inch below the top rim. Then, give it at least 12 hours to dissolve the mineral deposits, rust, and mildew. Flush the toilet a few times and turn off the water valve, so that you can flush it again until all the water has drained from the tank. Grab that trusty scrubber and get to work on the inside walls. Turn the water valve back on and flush the toilet again. Once the water runs clear in both the tank and the bowl, put the lid back on. If your tank is really bad, drain it first. Then fill the tank with undiluted vinegar and let it sit overnight. Once you've conquered your toilet, you might find yourself inspired to attack the rest of your house. Well, surprise! White vinegar can help with more than just the most popular seat in your house. You can create a cleaning solution of 50% vinegar and 50% water and spray it on mirrors, floors, counters, and cabinets. It's just as powerful for the soap scum in your shower too. Just spray it on and wipe it dry. White vinegar is something you should always have in your house. It has endless uses. It makes pickles, it cleans bathrooms, it's basically the liquid equivalent of Spider-Man. So next time your bathroom is in need of some tender loving cleaning, save yourself a trip to the store and forget all those harsh chemicals. Just head to the pantry for some vinegar.